If you want to maintain your privacy on Venmo by hiding your online status, follow these simple steps. This guide will help you adjust your settings to keep your activity more discreet. Step 1. Open the Venmo app. Launch the Venmo application on your mobile device. Ensure you are logged into your account to access the settings. Step 2. Go to Settings. Tap on the menu icon, usually represented by 3 horizontal lines or your profile picture in the top corner. From the drop-down menu, select Settings to access your account preferences. Step 3. Select Privacy. In the Settings menu, look for the Privacy option. This section allows you to manage who can see your transactions and online status. Step 4. Adjust online status. Within the privacy settings, find the option related to your online status or activity visibility. Toggle this setting to hide your online status from others. Step 5. Save changes. After adjusting your online status settings, make sure to save any changes you made. Exit the settings menu and return to the main screen of the app. By following these steps, you can successfully hide your online status on Venmo, enhancing your privacy while using the app.